last.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin, currently trading above $27,000. Bitcoin the last 1 year has traded for as high as $40,700. Bitcoin has also traded for as low as $15,600. Where are we heading in the coming days and the coming weeks? Bitcoin has started 2023 on a very bright note, even rallying to as high as $31,000. But in the last 1 week, we've seen a pullback in the market. Bitcoin has done by 8.6%. Bitcoin is still down 32% on a yearly time frame. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart. Bitcoin is still holding crucial support level. But what will happen if Bitcoin loses $27,000? How low are we going to dump? Is the rally over for Bitcoin, or are we gearing up for one final pump to the upside? We're also taking a look at Bitcoin dominance in the market, currently at 47%. We saw Bitcoin dominance in the market in the last few weeks get to as high as 49%. Will Bitcoin dominance start dumping, sending all coins to the moon, or will Bitcoin dominance continue pumping to higher prices? We'll also take a look at Bitcoin's market cap, currently sitting at $528 billion. And we'll also take a look at the US dollar currency index. If it's dumping, Bitcoin is pumping. If it's pumping, Bitcoin is dumping. So what is it telling us about the Bitcoin market? The market is neutral right now. The bulls and the bears can't decide where we're heading in the coming days and the coming weeks. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, chart analysis, if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Bitcoin, the king of the market, is down bad in the last 1 week, taking the rest of the crypto market with it. As Bitcoin started dumping to Goblin Town, we saw the whole market also dumping to Goblin Town. Bitcoin went from a market cap of around $550 billion, dropping to as low as $510 billion. The altcoin market is down, Bitcoin is down, but is the bear market rally over, or are we just having a temporary pullback? How low can Bitcoin go if we start dumping aggressively to Goblin Town? Now, key levels to pay attention to for Bitcoin in this bear market. Bitcoin has been dumping ever since November of 2021. We finally found the bottom in November of 2022 when Bitcoin dumped to as low as $15,600. We started pumping slowly but surely. There was still a lot of doubt in the market. We saw Bitcoin rallying from $15,500, getting to as high as $31,000. So Bitcoin basically pumped 100% to the upside. If you're one of those smart investors that got into Bitcoin when it hit that low, you saw a 100% pump to the upside. And it took Bitcoin just 143 days to achieve that. Now, as Bitcoin has seen the biggest dump we have seen in the last 1 month, where are we heading in the coming days and the coming weeks? A lot of people are doubting this rally as we're pumping to higher prices. So when Bitcoin got to $25,000, a critical bear market resistance level, and Bitcoin started dumping, a lot of market participants were convinced the rally was over. We saw Bitcoin go from $25,000, Bitcoin dumped by 22%, dumping to as low as $19,500. Very, very important. Pay attention to that $19,500 level. It may come in handy at some point in time in this bear market. But right now, even as Bitcoin is dumping, people are scared in the market, forgetting that Bitcoin was just trading around the $19,000 region on the 9th of March 2023. And by the 13th of April 2023, we already saw Bitcoin getting to as high as $30,000. And from that $31,000 level, Bitcoin has only dumped by around 12%. If Bitcoin will mirror the same correction we saw in the market in February, if Bitcoin is going to dump 22%, we will see Bitcoin trading maybe around the $24,000 region. But Bitcoin has a very, very strong support around $25,000. So even though we continue dumping, I expect us to find the bottom before we go below $25,000. Because guys, if we go below $25,000, Bitcoin's bear market rally might just be over. In the coming days and the coming weeks, let's be positive. If Bitcoin starts pumping to higher prices, how high can we go? If we blast above this $31,000 region, we talked about how this region will give us a lot of difficulties. So till Bitcoin clear $32,200, we are still stuck in this washing machine range where we might just see Bitcoin going up and down for a very long time. Bitcoin did that before we saw our final dump to Goblin Town. Bitcoin was ranging from the $27,800 region to as high as $32,400. But finally, we eventually dumped to Goblin Town. And I believe that's what's happening right now. We might see Bitcoin even get to as low as $26,500. But after Bitcoin's dump is over, when the altcoin market is ready, we might see Bitcoin getting sent to higher prices. The Bitcoin bear market rally might just still continue. We're still targeting that $40,000 region, even though I'm selling my bags before we get there. From the last rally we saw for Bitcoin in March of 2022, if we use our Fibonacci retracement tool, where will Bitcoin 702 retracement be? If we see Bitcoin giving us a complete 702 retracement, we should expect to see Bitcoin getting to that $38,000 region. Are we going to see Bitcoin pumping there in the coming days and the coming weeks, or do we have to dump further down to Goblin Town before that really comes? Because from where we're currently trading right now, for Bitcoin to get to that $8,000, Bitcoin will need to rally up by 40% to the upside. It can happen very, very quickly. We've seen Bitcoin rally that high already in 2023. We saw Bitcoin from the 1st of January when it was trading at $16,000. Bitcoin rallied first, giving us a 52% pump to the upside. After that 52% pump, we saw it 22% dump, and then Bitcoin gave us another rally to the upside. And this time, that rally went from $19,500. Bitcoin rallied up by 57%. So the third pump we're going to see for Bitcoin, will Bitcoin be able to give us that pump that will take us to as high as $38,000? Only time will tell, but the Bitcoin dominance in the market will also tell. If we see Bitcoin dominance in the market increasing and we see Bitcoin pumping, guys, that might just mean Bitcoin is ready for higher prices. But if Bitcoin dominance in the market starts dumping, bad news. Even though Bitcoin is pumping to higher prices, the rally might be coming to an end. Because if Bitcoin dominance is dumping, it means the altcoin market is having a nice time. It means capital is actually flowing from the Bitcoin market into the altcoin market. Now take a look at what Bitcoin did the last time we had a huge dump in Bitcoin dominance. We saw Bitcoin dominance setting new all-time highs by the 13th of April 2021. But take a look at what Bitcoin dominance was doing then. It was already dumping to Goblin Town. So even though Bitcoin continued pumping, getting to as high as $64,000, Bitcoin dominance was just heading in the different direction, dumping as we saw all coins pumping to higher prices. So if Bitcoin dominance starts dumping, even though Bitcoin is pumping to higher prices, just start taking some profits off the table. We're already getting to the end of the rally. If you go and take a look at the general crypto market, the market is red, waiting for Bitcoin to show us the way. Bitcoin is the king of the market. And guys, if Bitcoin starts pumping today, you expect to see the rest of the market pumping to higher prices. Bitcoin's market cap is around $528 billion. A fully diluted market cap for Bitcoin is around $573 billion. And Bitcoin's maximum supply is around 21 million coins. We have over 19.3 million of those coins in circulation. Bitcoin is still ranked number one on coin market cap. Over 3.9 million people have Bitcoin on their watch list. If you want to buy Bitcoin in this bear market, as we're pumping to higher prices, you can buy Bitcoin on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, on Kraken, on Bitstamp. And guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Bitcoin right there. Now take a look at Bitcoin's market cap, which rose to as high as $600 billion in this bear market. But we got rejected at that level, hard rejection. We're expecting that. We saw Bitcoin's market cap get to as high as $600 billion, the highest we've seen Bitcoin's market cap go since the 6th of June 2022. I still believe we'll still get one pump to the upside. We might see Bitcoin's market cap even get to as high as that $611 billion region. But if we don't get that high and the rally is over, key levels to watch, to pay attention to, hopefully Bitcoin's market cap will find support somewhere around the $483 billion level. That level was holding us down since June of 2022. We finally just rallied above that level in March of 2023. So Bitcoin might still dump back to that $483 billion level, but it doesn't mean the rally is over for Bitcoin. The altcoin season index is heavily in Bitcoin season. Capital has been concentrated in the Bitcoin market in the last 3 months. But if you're an altcoin holder, you will be very, very wary, because Bitcoin is performing well means altcoins are not performing well. And if altcoins start performing well, guys, we might just see Bitcoin, even though it's pumping to higher prices, capital might be slowly flowing into the altcoin market. So right now, you want to be booking some profits. Right now, if you bought the Bitcoin bottom, you want to be taking some profit off the table. That's what smart investors are doing right here. That's why we're seeing distribution happening. That's why we're seeing all this price movement that we've been seeing since the 16th of March 2023. The US dollar currency index, which goes opposite of Bitcoin. If you see the dollar collapsing, Bitcoin is usually pumping. If you see Bitcoin pumping, the dollar is usually collapsing. And if you see the dollar going below this 100.728 region, we might just see Bitcoin pumping to higher prices. And that's why we believe the bear market rally might not be over. The dollar is not looking bullish. The dollar might still dump to new lows in the last 1 month. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. The fear and greed index is telling us we have no greed in the market, no fear. The sentiment in the market is neutral. People can't decide where we're going in the coming days and the coming weeks. With all this information in hand, with Bitcoin dominance, with altcoin season index, with Bitcoin even facing major resistance at the $32,000 region, how high do you see Bitcoin going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Do you think the bear market rally is over? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I go live and anytime I drop a new content. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.